In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up message in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Claspo platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to click on Start for Free, which will automatically take you to the sign up page of the Claspo platform. And here, what we need to do is decide how you want to sign up for Claspo. In my particular case, I'm going to go ahead and sign up using my Google account. Once you're signed up, this is the page that you're going to see. Now, before I show you how to set everything up, if you take a look on the left-hand side of the screen right here, you will see that by default, you will be assigned to the free plan. If you go ahead and click on that, I want to quickly run you through the usage limitations of the free plan, just so you can get an idea of what it has to offer, or if you need to choose a different plan. So if you take a look along the bottom of the page right here, you can see some of the usage and limitations that the free plan comes with. So for example, you can have as many users as you want, you can have up to one active website, you can create as many widgets as you want, and then you can get up to 3,000 monthly page views on your widgets on WordPress. Do bear in mind that the free plan also comes to the Power by Claspo badge, so if you want your pop-up message to be 100% ad free, or if you plan to get more than 3,000 monthly page views on your WordPress website, then go ahead and click on Upgrade Plan right here, which will automatically take you to Claspo's plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and here as an example is the Pro 50 plan. With the Pro 50 plan, you can get up to 50,000 monthly page views on your widgets on WordPress. As part of the plan, you can also access all the features and functionalities that the platform has to offer. You can have up to one website, no Power by Claspo badge, unlimited widgets, unlimited team members, and priority support. And if you use the slider and you go to the right here, you can access all the bigger plans that the platform has to offer. So yeah, browse through the different plans, choose the one that works best for you. And if you'd like to save some money, I definitely recommend you to subscribe to the plan that you want on an annual basis, as that will save you 25% of the total cost of the plan. So for example, the Pro 250 plan goes from $99 per month down to $69 per month. And if you'd like to save an additional 20%, you can also use my discount code at checkout, which you can find in the description of this video. Now that you know a little bit more about the different plans that the Claspo platform has to offer, let me show you how to create the exact type of pop-up message that you want and how to integrate it with your WordPress website. So the first thing I want you to do is click on New Widget right here on the top, and then you will see this pop-up. What we need to do here is decide whether you want to start completely from scratch or if you want to customize an existing template. I'll personally recommend you to go for a template because all the templates are fully customizable anyway, so that's going to save you a whole lot of time and effort in the process, and that's the route I'm going to be taking today. So go ahead and click on Template Library. Once you've done that, you'll then be taken to this page, which is where you can see all the different templates that the Claspo platform has to offer. Now, the first thing that we want to do here is narrow down the options, so we only see the templates that are relevant to us. In that particular case, that will be a pop-up message. So what I want to do is go to the left-hand side of the screen here and check a couple of different boxes. The first box that I want you to check will be underneath layer right here, and that will be the pop-up. Go ahead and click on it. And once you've done that, on the right-hand side, you will notice that the templates are starting to narrow down. The second box I want you to check will be underneath use case. I want you to click on show more, and then I want you to check the inform or guide users box. And then on the right hand side, you will see all the different pop-up message templates that you can choose from. Now, bear in mind, it doesn't matter which template you choose because they're all fully customizable, like I mentioned previously. So go ahead, browse through them and choose the one that most closely resembles what you're looking for. That way, you're going to have to make a little bit less edits, but you will still have to make some just to customize it to your requirements. In my particular case, as an example, I'm going to go for this template right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And once you've clicked on the template that you want to go with, you'll then be taken to this page, which is where you can see what it looks like before you make any changes to it. As you can see, it's fully interactive. Now, in my particular template, I can't really make any changes right here. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on Use This Template in the top right corner of the screen, which will then take me to the Claspo template editor. This is what Claspo's template editor looks like. Now, in my particular case, I'm not going to make a whole lot of changes to my particular template because I'm only recording a tutorial video, so it doesn't really matter for me. I just want to quickly show you what's possible, and then I'll let you customize yours to your specific requirements. So as an example, if you want to go ahead and delete a particular element from your template that you don't want to have in the final version, go ahead and click on the element that you want to delete, and then you will highlight it. Then simply press the backspace button on your keyboard, and just like that, the element will be deleted. Now, if you want to go ahead and customize a particular element, so for example, I want to make this text a bit bigger here, go ahead and click on it, and then on the right hand side, you'll see the editor for that particular element. Now, in my case, I'm looking for font size, which is right here, and what I need to do here is just click on the plus icon and make the text as big as I want. In my case, I'm going to keep it to 23 because that seems to be the perfect size for my particular pop-up. Besides deleting and customizing existing elements from your template, you can also add additional components to it as well. To do that, go on the left hand side of the screen right here, which is where you can see all the different components that you can add to your particular template. Now, in my particular case, I want to add some social media buttons to my pop-up. So what I want to do is go to the other section here and then simply drag the social button and place it anywhere that I want within my pop-up. In my case, I'm going to place it right underneath this text right here. and just drop it. And as you can see, here are my social media buttons. And then on the right hand side here, I also have to provide the links for them. And that's pretty much all the changes that I'm going to make to my particular template. Once you're done customizing yours and you want to move forward, go ahead and click on save in the top right corner of the screen. And then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to decide when and how a pop-up message is going to be shown on a WordPress website. Now, in my particular case, the settings that I'm going to pay attention to here are these two: when to display, as well as display frequency. In your case, if you want, you can also go ahead and explore these at the bottom. They're not relevant for me, but by all means, explore them, customize them as you see fit. So in terms of display frequency here, I'm going to set this to do not limit. And then in terms of when to display, I don't want there to be any delay whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and click on immediately right here. Then I'm going to click on next in the top right corner of the screen. And that will then take me to the integrations page, which is where I can integrate my pop-up message with Google Analytics. In this case, I'm going to skip this step and click on done once more. Once you've done that, the last step is to simply publish our widget. Go ahead and click on unpublished right here, and then click on published, and then click on save in the top right corner of the screen. Once your pop-up message widget is published, we can start integrating it with your WordPress website. Now, the first thing you want to do here is click on script on the left-hand side of the screen, and then you'll be taken to the script page. What you want to do here first is go ahead and click on manage and provide your website URL in here. And then I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on install within this WordPress field. And then you will see this window open up. Underneath step number 2, I want you to click on copy ID. Once you've done that, let's head over to WordPress so we can start integrating your pop-up message widget. As you can see, in my particular case, I'm already in my WordPress dashboard. And from here, I want you to go to the left-hand side of the screen. And then underneath plugins right here, I want you to hover over that button. And then I want you to click on add plugin. And then you'll be taken to the WordPress plugins marketplace. Now, when it comes to installing the Claspo plugin on your WordPress website, there's 2 different routes that you can take. Both are super easy, so it just depends on what you're looking for. The first route is for the plugins marketplace itself. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on search right here and type in Claspo, and then click on enter, and then simply go ahead and click on the only option here. And then on the right hand side, you will see install and activate. Go ahead and click on that, and then the plugin will be activated on your WordPress website. Now, bear in mind, at the time of recording this video, you need to have at least the WordPress business plan in order to be able to install and activate Claspo's plugin for the marketplace. If you don't have the business plan and if you don't want to upgrade to it, there's also a free way to do it. So for example, if you have a self-hosted website on WordPress, I want you to go ahead and click the second link in the description of this video, which will then take you to this page right here. Where my camera is in the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see a blue download button. Go ahead and click it to download Claspo's plugin, and then simply install it on your WordPress website like you would with any other plugin. Once the Claspo plugin has been installed on your WordPress website, whether you've done it manually or for the marketplace, you will see this page right here. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on script ID here and simply paste the script ID that we just copied previously from the Claspo platform. And then I want you to go ahead and click on connect. Once you've done that, you will see this message. So let's head over back to Claspo and see if the script has been installed correctly. What I want to do is go to step number 3 here and click on check, and then we should get this green message to confirm. If you get this green message down here, then your pop-up widget on WordPress is already active. So let's head over to WordPress and check it out. And as you can see, here is my pop-up message on my WordPress website. It looks super nice and clean. And as you can see, it's also fully interactive. And that's about it. That's how to add a pop-up message in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.